Hi, everybody. I hope you're having a great Friday and enjoyed your first full week of blended learning. We're still getting through this experience, and I hope you're all staying happy and healthy and doing things to keep your mind entertained along with the schoolwork. Today's book is Ivan the Terrier. Once upon a time, there were 3 billy goats named Gruff. Hey, where did that dog come from? Is that Ivan? It is! Ivan, you naughty dog, you're ruining the story! Ivan, get back here! Ivan! Oh well, I guess we'll have to read a different story. Once upon a time, deep in the forest, there lived 3 bears. Oh no! Sit! Ivan, sit! This is not a story about you, bad dog! And I know my dogs would do the same exact thing Ivan's doing. Heel! Ivan! Heel! Oh dear. Let's try another one. Once upon a time, there were 3 little pigs. Oh, not again! Ivan, stay! Someone grab him! Ivan! Ivan, stop! You come back here right now. Ivan! My word, I've never seen anything like this. Once upon a time, a little old lady baked a gingerbread boy for her husband because the 2 of them were lonely. What do you think's gonna happen? Oh, come on! Would somebody grab that dog? Ivan, sit! Ivan, drop it! Shame on you! Don't eat that! All right, I give up. There once was a little dog named Ivan. Now where is he going? Oh, I see. Good night, Ivan. Hope you have a great weekend and the rest of your day.